Well, we're a little early. The lecture doesn't end for 15 minutes.
Yeah, but we can sneak in and watch.
Yeah, good.
Mark's saying I'll see you Saturday.
Yeah, at the lecture. I told you that last week. You said you didn't mind.
Hello.
Hey, how'd the lecture go?
It went great. And I didn't need any jokes or naked chicks either.
There's gonna be a wedding!
February 2nd.
So it was really cool seeing you lecture today.
Oh, thanks. Although it kind of seemed like you were falling asleep there a little.
Oh, no, I had my eyes closed so I could concentrate and, take it all in.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word lecture. It means a speech read or delivered before an audience or class, especially for instruction or to set forth some subject, a lecture on Picasso's paintings. Also means a speech of warning or reproof as to conduct, a long, tedious reprimand. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce lecture, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to lek. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how lecture is used in real life.
Yeah, at the lecture. I told you.
Hello.
Hey, how'd the lecture go?
It went, well, today's my first lecture, and that was a great lecture today.
Ooh, this may be a new world's record!
I hate to lecture you guys.
So it was really cool seeing you lecture today.
Oh, so if we could just get back to the lecture.
You guys would never want to go to a lecture with me.
Huh.
Well, we're a little early. The lecture doesn't end for 15 minutes.
Yeah, but
I'm giving this lecture on erosion theories tomorrow night.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.